Welcome to English Podcast with Nora. Here we learn simple English for real life. Slow, clear, and step by step. Are you ready? Let's learn together. Hi, friends. My name is Nora. Is it raining where you are? Because here, it's a rainy day. I can hear the rain on my window. Drip, drop, drip, drop. Some people think rainy days are boring, but not me. I think rainy days are a little bit magical. You can slow down, stay warm, and do something special. Do you want to spend this rainy day with me? Come on, let's see what we can do together. This morning, I wake up and hear a soft sound. Drip, drop, drip, drop. It's the rain. I don't move right away. I just listen. The rain falls gently on the roof and the window. It feels peaceful. I sit up in bed and stretch my arms. Outside, the sky is gray and quiet. I look through the window and see small drops on the glass. People walk by with colorful umbrellas: red, blue, yellow. One man wears a big green raincoat. A little girl jumps in a puddle and laughs. I smile. I love rainy days. They feel slow and soft, like a big warm blanket. I stay in my pajamas a little longer. The air smells fresh, and everything outside looks clean and shiny. I take a deep breath and think, today is not a busy day. Today is a calm day. And maybe a little bit special. I walk to the kitchen, still in my soft pajamas. The floor feels a little cold, so I wear my warm slippers. Outside, the rain is still falling. Drip, drop, drip, drop. I feel like making something warm and sweet. I open the cupboard and take out a mug, some cocoa powder, and a cinnamon stick. I heat the milk, stir the chocolate, and add a little cinnamon on top. It smells so good. I hold the mug in both hands. It's warm and it makes me smile. I walk back to the living room and light a small candle. It smells like vanilla. The flame dances slowly and the room feels cozy and quiet. I sit by the window with my hot drink, watch the rain, and take a sip. Sweet, soft, and perfect for a rainy morning. As I sit by the window with my warm drink, I hear a sound. Ding dong. The doorbell rings. I stand up, walk to the door, and open it. A small brown box is waiting for me on the doorstep. It's a surprise. The box is not very big, but it feels special. I take it inside, dry it with a towel, and look at the label. It's from Leo, my best friend. I smile right away. I open the box carefully. Inside, I see a small puzzle, a letter, and a little bag of cookies. The puzzle shows a picture of a castle with a dragon and a forest. It looks fun. I open the letter. Leo writes, "Hi, Nora. I saw this puzzle and thought of you. I hope it makes your rainy day better. Don't forget the cookies." I laugh and feel warm inside. Rainy days with surprises from friends. I think that's the best kind of magic. After reading Leo's letter, I feel happy and excited. I bring the puzzle to the living room and sit on the floor. The box says 500 pieces. That's a lot, but I'm ready. I open the box and see many tiny, colorful pieces. I smile. I like puzzles. They help me relax and think. First, I find all the edge pieces. I make the frame. It's like building the outside of a picture. Then I look for the dragon, red, green, and shiny gold. Piece by piece, I find its wings, its face, and its long tail. I take my time. Outside, the rain keeps falling, but I don't mind. I feel calm and focused. Slowly, the puzzle starts to come alive. The castle, the trees, the sky. I look at the picture and feel proud. It's not finished yet, but it already looks beautiful. I think Leo knows me well. This was the perfect gift for today. After I finish half of the puzzle, I feel like talking to Leo. I pick up my phone and press the video call button. A few seconds later, his face appears on the screen.
Hi, Nora.
He says with a big smile. Hi, Leo. I laugh. Thank you so much for the puzzle. I love it. He looks happy.
Do you like the dragon?
He asks. Yes, I already found the wings and part of the castle, I say. Then he turns his camera and shows me his dog.
Look, Max is wearing his little raincoat.
He laughs. The dog is small, brown, and looks very serious in a yellow coat. I laugh too. He looks like he's going to work in the rain, I say. We both laugh. Outside it's still raining, but talking to Leo makes the day feel brighter. We talk for a few more minutes about puzzles, cookies, and the sound of rain. When we say goodbye, I feel warm. Like I just got a hug, even through the screen. After the call with Leo, I feel inspired. The rain is still falling and the sky is soft and gray. I look out the window and see umbrellas, wet trees, shiny streets, and tiny raindrops dancing on the glass. I suddenly want to paint. I go to my desk and take out my watercolor set, some brushes, and a big piece of white paper. I start with light blue for the sky, then gray for the clouds. I paint small people walking with red, green, and yellow umbrellas. I add puddles on the street, and I paint the reflections, like little mirrors on the ground. I take my time. I mix colors and try new shapes. I feel calm and happy. My room smells like paper and paint. Outside, the world is wet and cool, but here with my colors and my brush, everything feels warm. I look at my picture when it's done. It's not perfect, but it shows the way I feel. Peaceful, quiet, and creative. Sometimes a rainy day is the best time to make something beautiful. After painting, my stomach makes a little sound. Grrr. I laugh. I guess I'm hungry. I walk to the kitchen and open the fridge. I see some ripe bananas. They are brown and soft, perfect for baking. Let's make banana muffins, I say to myself. I take out the bananas, eggs, flour, and a little sugar. I mash the bananas with a fork, then mix everything in a big bowl. The kitchen smells sweet already. I add a little cinnamon and some chocolate chips, just for fun. Then I pour the batter into small paper cups and put them in the oven. While I wait, I clean the table and listen to the sound of the rain. After 20 minutes, ding. The muffins are ready. I take them out. They are golden and warm, with soft tops and sweet smell. I take a bite. Soft, sweet, and a little bit like a hug. I smile and think, rainy days really are full of small surprises. After I finish my muffin, I look out the window again. The rain has stopped. The sky is still a little cloudy, but soft sunlight shines through. I see something beautiful. A rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. All the colors are there. I smile and put on my rain boots. The ground is still wet, and little puddles shine in the light. I take a short walk around my street. The air is fresh and cool. Birds are singing again. I see flowers with drops of water on their petals. A cat walks slowly along a wall, and a boy rides his bike through a puddle with a big splash. I laugh. Then I stop and look up. The rainbow is still there, bright and gentle in the sky. I take a deep breath and feel calm. The world feels clean and new after the rain. I whisper to myself, sometimes you have to wait for the rain to see the rainbow. When I come back home, I see the muffins on the table. There are still many left. I smile and get an idea. I take a small plate and place 3 muffins on it. Then I wrap the plate with a little cloth and walk to my neighbor's door, Mrs. Green. She is kind and lives alone. I knock gently. After a moment, she opens the door.
Oh, hello, Nora.
She says with a warm smile. Hi, Mrs. Green. I made banana muffins today. Would you like some? I ask. Her eyes light up.
That's so sweet of you. Thank you, dear.
She invites me in for tea. We sit at her small kitchen table. She pours warm tea into little cups and we talk. We talk about the rain, the rainbow, and the smell of fresh muffins. It's quiet and peaceful. I feel happy. Sharing something small makes the day feel big and beautiful. Rainy days bring people closer, I think. Sometimes a muffin is more than a muffin. It's a smile, a story, and a little bit of love. The sky turns dark and the lights in my room feel soft and golden. I change into my cozy pajamas and sit on my bed with a warm blanket. Everything is quiet now. I take out my journal and a pen. I write down the little things from today. The sound of the rain, the puzzle from Leo, the video call, the painting, the muffins, the rainbow, the walk outside, and the tea with Mrs. Green. So many small things. But together, they made the day feel full and special. I draw a tiny rainbow at the bottom of the page. Then I close my journal and turn off the light. I lie down and smile. Thank you, rainy day, I whisper. You were gentle, kind, and full of surprises. I close my eyes. The rain is gone now, but the feeling stays soft, calm, and warm. Good night. Thank you for spending this rainy day with me. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned some new English too. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe for more gentle English stories. And if you want to review today's vocabulary and sentences, you can download the free PDF in the description. See you next time, my friend. Keep learning and keep smiling.